new day, it is a new video, and it is a new me. Yes, I feel really good right now because my face has gone back to normal. My face was like so rough like some days ago because I was like on my lady time. But now my face is back. I feel so good. Like, people have been asking me questions like, what's wrong with your face? You usually have smooth face. What happened to you? What? I was just having those days, you know? You know, some days you just don't feel like yourself. You just feel like as if like who just came over to this house and took over my face because I'm not understanding. But now it's back. It's back. It's back to the original face. Okay, so I know some of you are now wondering, like, how did you do it? How did it happen? How did you get it this way? Well, it's not so hard. Let me just show you my product. I have this box where I keep my products because if you guys actually see it, okay, it's not fancy. It's this. I keep all my products because there's literally like I had to improvise and create something myself. Cause so by force by fire, come to your house. I am not going out because in this Lagos, it's like nobody's taking this thing seriously. So me like this, I'm not coming out of my house. It's not me that will come and die. I'm not ready to die of corona. If people don't believe it is real, it's their business. Oh, but me, I believe it is real. So I will hide this at my house. So first of all, you cleanse your face because girl, your face is dirty as fuck. Cleanse it. Wash your face. So my deep care for cleansing oil. Deep cleansing oil. You can get whatever cleansing, whatever. You can get a facial wash. You can get a cleansing oil, or you can use this. You can use this particular one. Deep cleansing oil. And then sometimes, not every day, some days I scrub my face with this cool spa. They are all affordable, like very very affordable, like actually very affordable. There's just actually just one product here that might be a little bit expensive, but every other thing that I'm showing you is very affordable, like really really affordable. So this cool spa facial scrub type of thing, bath salt scrub, you use this to scrub your face. I usually use it like twice a week because my face doesn't really have any issues, but I also use it to have my bath. You can decide to use it to have your bath or not. It's your choice. It's your body. No one can tell you what to do with your body. Duh. Then, after I have scrubbed and cleansed my face, I go ahead with this Settlement Clear Face Deep Cleansing Facial Toner. It combats pimples, blackheads, and skin impurities. I was trying to read like what they wrote at the back, but I was like, why would I do that? Well, this is my toner, and then I go ahead using my toner. And last but not the least, aloe vera, because this sun is a bitch. The sun is a fucking the sun is a fucking bitch. Like, this one can be so annoying. It can literally like turn you from beauty to beast in like a matter of seconds. If you go out into the sun without sunscreen or anything to protect your face from the sun, I am sorry, my sister or brother, you are going to be black. Forget it. Only if your face is blessed by the gods and you don't turn black from the sun, then you can do without it. But somebody like me, that I know that if I enter inside the sun just once, I am black. I advise you buy aloe vera or sunblock or all this sun protecting something, all these things with SPF and whatever. My bathing soap has SPF, so I know most of the things I have. Even my body lotion has SPF. Everything SPF. I do not want to be burnt by the sun. I like my skin. I love my skin. So I think that's all. Then I have this one. This is like a once in a while peel off mask. I don't use it all the time because I don't really have anything to peel off. But just for the aesthetic of it, sometimes I just use it just to feel that feeling of sensation. And that is all. That is all. That is all you need to know about my facial whatever. I'm not saying my face is like perfect and everything, but it's not bad either. So that is it. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I always forget. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Number 1, like this video down below. Don't forget to also drop a comment relating maybe one of the answers I gave, or if you feel like there's something you want to gist with me about, compliment me on my hair, it's new, it's kind of new, I did it myself. You don't have to praise me too much. Thank you so much. I like the fact that you always praise me. Thank you. What else? Always keep watch for my next video. You click on that bell right beside my subscribe button and just like wait for my next video, like get notification from my next video. I'm funny. At least I try to be. I'm funny. At least you should be enjoying my video. If you go to this part where I'm talking like this, you might as well just subscribe. Subscribe. Nothing will happen. I love you guys. So 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 much.